Hey guys, we're doing the team draw for the $4 break. It's 12:56, 20 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Dice roll. Oops. Nope. It's supposed to be two times. Two rolls, sorry. Eight. No, let's load it up eight anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Put that list here. Save it. Put that. I heard you. And the team draw. Teams. 6 times. Oh shit. It's the team draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Ooh, Pelicans on top. Who's the lucky? There we go. Who's the lucky person? Mr. Vorsa. Copy. And the teams are Vorsa Pelicans, Zach O'Toole Jazz, Daniel Thorpe Warriors, Jay Doney Grease, Ian Nan Lakers, Shane Anthony Hawks, TJ Magic, James Cannon Hornets, George Melick Cavs, Mizzy Spurs, Shane Stott Heat, Sunsdale Thunder, James Harris, Steve Hockey Pistons, Watson Celtics, David Charles Rockets, Scott Green Raptors, Javasi Sixers, Zach O'Toole Bucks, Ian Nan Pardon me, Ian Nan Bulls, Jay Doney Kings, Daniel Thorpe Wolves and Wizards, Lalaga with Clippers, Thorpe with Blazers, Hohepa with Nets, David Charles Mavericks, Manion Nuggets, Zach O'Toole Pacers, and Jeff Wiktorski with the Knicks. And that's the team wrist. The team wrist. The team wrist from Little Christ. And there's the teams.